To measure your bracelet size, you can use a flexible measuring tape, a piece of cord, or a strip of paper. To get the size, wrap the cord snug around your wrist if you prefer a tight fit. And once you've done that, you can use a marker or a pen to mark the overlap point. Then once you've done that, place the cord flat next to a ruler or a measuring tape and then measure from one end to the other to get the length. And if you would like your bracelet to be loose, what you can do is add 0.5 inch to the length of your bracelet.